Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the trades I have taken and the reason behind those trades and how those trades went in detail. So coming to today's trading activity, I have traded four things. One is Axis Bank equity and Axis Bank 750 put option, then Max Finance Limited equity, and one lot of USD INR April futures. So this currency trade what I have taken, that is USD INR, it is just an experimental trade. I tried to test something, for that purpose I have taken this trade. Coming to Axis Bank 750p, this is the first trade what I have taken today. You can see in my order book. So at 9 o'clock 2 a.m. in the morning I have closed the trade USD INR which I have taken yesterday, and at 9:19 or 9:51 a.m. in the morning, so I have bought Axis Bank 750 put option at a price of 2 rupee 95 price, 2 rupees 95, and at 9:51 I sold the same option at 420 rupees. So let's move into why I took the trade in detail. So coming to Axis Bank, this is the intraday chart of Axis Bank, and this is 1 minute time frame chart. Here if you see, I have taken the trade at 9:19 a.m. in the morning. So you can see today is 25th. So let me zoom it a little bit. So this is today's chart. So here if you observe at 9:19 a.m. in the morning, this is the candle where I have taken the trade. This is the candle where I have taken the trade. So I think it would be better if I pop the chart. So let me pop it into a new window. Exactly at 9:19 a.m. in the morning I have taken the trade. So this is a 5 minute time frame chart. You can see this is the candle where I have taken the trade. When I have taken the trade, the stock is trading at around 756 rupees. So the rationale behind this particular trade is, I have observed the yesterday's movement and I felt that the stock has good amount of resistance at these levels. So let me zoom out so that you can see where the resistance levels are lying. See, this is resistance, this is resistance. So these points are the resistance levels for the stock. So what I did is, I carefully marked the resistance levels for that particular stock. This entire area is representing the resistance. So you can see the stock came down here and fell down. Again it tried to move up, but again from this point a reversal happened, again. So multiple times the stock has been rejected at this 757 to 760 level. So there was a strong resistance at this 760 level. So when the stock is nearer to 757 level, so I thought I could buy a put option, since the premiums are a little bit less on today, since today is expiring. So at exactly 9:19 a.m. so I bought a 750 put option. The stock is trading at 757 rupees. So I expected a little bit negative movement, and I bought put option which is at put option of 750 strike price. So the put option is trading at a price of 2 rupee 95 paise at that time. So as soon as the stock moved to the position of 753, that is, the stock made a reverse movement of 4 rupees, from 757 rupees to 753 rupees the stock moved exactly at that time. So I have closed the stock. So I could have waited for some more time, that is till 750, till the stock has made 750 rupees. You can see here is the yesterday's closing time price. This is a initial target for Axis Bank today, but I thought I would book the profits little bit early since I had some work at that point of time. So I closed my position when the stock made a reversal from 757 to 753 rupees in 30 minutes time. So in these 30 minutes the stock made a reversal from 757 rupees to 753, and the option price changed from 2 rupee 95.2 rupees 95 paise to 4 rupees 25 paise. You can see 750 PE. So at 919 I have bought. So this is the candle where I have bought the stock. Sorry, 919. This is the candle where I have bought the stock. So at exactly 295, 2 rupees 95. After that the stock made a low of 2 rupee 50 paise. Then the stock made a reversal and I booked the profit at 4 rupee 20 paise. At this level I have bought at this price I have sold the option. So I made a profit of 1500 rupees in this particular trade. So this is how I have traded using resistance levels. So I took a put option when the stock is at the exact resistance, and I fixed my stop loss when to exit my put option if the stock is making a reverse movement. If the stock don't move in my expected direction, if the stock has moved above 760 level, I would have closed my trade there itself. I would have booked the loss. But since the stock did not cross 760 rupees, I booked the profit when the put option is moving in favor to me. So this is how my first trade went. But later on, if you see the chart, this level has been tested, this today's resistance level. So the stock was first rejected at this point and closed at this position, closed at exactly 755 rupees at 925. After that the same level has been touched many times today at 11:20, again at 12 o'clock, again at 12:25. So if you clearly observe here is a triple bottom pattern. So first next, so first top, second top, third top, so triple top pattern, so which is a negative pattern. And so as expected, as soon as this level of 749 is broke, the stock straight away fell down to 740 rupees. If one has bought the put option at this level, 754 rupees level, they could have made a good amount of money. So coming to my second trade, I have sold Max Finance Limited. So let's observe what Max Finance is doing. So let me move into 5 minutes time frame chart. You can clearly see this is today's chart. I took the trade at around 12:19 afternoon, 12:19 p.m. in the afternoon. So let's see what is happening at 12:19 p.m. So 12:35, 12:25, 12:15, and this is the candle of 12:20. So at this candle I have sold Max Finance Limited. You can see, if you clearly see this chart, you can easily draw the trend of this particular stock here. So this is the trend line. So you can clearly see the trend line support has been broke at this level, that is 452. You can see good amount of volume is also there at this particular level. So after that I took one more indication, which is volume weighted average price. As soon as the stock fell down below the volume weighted average price, I took the trade. So though I have not shown the volume weighted average, let me add it here. Okay, so at this point I took the trade. If you see, so the trend line support has been broken, then it fell down below volume weighted average price. So at this position I took the entry exactly at 12:20 p.m. in the afternoon, that is 12:19 to 12:20 p.m. in the afternoon. I took the trade and I kept my stop loss about 452.5 452.5. So this is very close, and that 451 is very close. So I took a little bit leverage and I kept my stop loss at around 452.5. Same trade I have given in my Telegram group also. So after that, if you see, in the next two candles there was a massive downfall and the stock has moved down to 440 rupees, but I booked the profits at 444 levels. My initial target is 446 and the next target is 441, but in between I try to book the profits. So this is the second trade what I have taken, and you can see in positions also I have traded 100 number of stocks and I made a profit of 535 rupees, which is giving me a risk reward ratio of 1:2.5. For 2.5 rupees risk I made a profit of 5.5 points. So coming to the Axis Bank, so few shares of Axis Bank today I bought and sold them with a minimum profit because I wrongly read the chart patterns. Here this triple top pattern I tried to read it as double bottom, and I mistakenly took the trade at these levels, 748 rupees level, and I closed the trade at 749 itself. So around 0.5 or 0.6 rupees I booked the profit here in this trade also, but this trade was not a good one because I misread the charts here. So these are the trades what I have taken today, and this is how you have to use technical analysis that is related to trend line supports as well as resistance in your trading before taking any trading decision. So I hope there is something which you can learn from this video. If there is any doubt or anything which you want to ask me, please leave the comments. Thank you.